To my fellow workers in Bicol University, my dear students, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, we celebrate a truly joyful occasion. The 49th Charter Day of Bicol University. June 21, 1969 was indeed the date that breathed life to Bicol University. This day marked the enactment of RA 5521, which gave life to Bicol University. On this day, the identity of Bicol University as the premier university in the Bicol region, now one of the leading SUCs in the country, was born. And with it, every Bicolano scholar's dream of access to excellent tertiary education became a reality. Marami na ang pinagdaanan at pinagdaraanan pa ng ating universidad. Hindi biro ang hirap, sakripisyo at dedikasyon ng mga pinuno at mga presidente ng Bicol University para marating ang anuman magandang estado na mayroon tayo ngayon. Hindi madali ang pagtaguyod at pagpapaunlad ng institusyon sapagkat bawat isa kailangang tumugon sa tawag ng pangangailangan di lamang ng institusyon kundi ng mga kawani at mga mag-aaral. Kaya marami tayong pagpasalamat sa anumang narating ng ating minamahal na universidad. Bicol University has come a long way on its road to progress and development. Over the last 3 years, we have made significant strides towards our vision through the implementation of the 6 key strategic options, namely, number 1, promoting responsive academic governance. Number 2, enhancing the resource endowment of the university. Number 3, offering market-driven and relevant academic programs. Number 4, strengthening the foundation for research, development, and extension. Number 5, developing a critical mass of quality students and competent faculty members. And the last, number 6, is upgrading and modernizing our physical facilities. We have continuously stressed good stewardship by building on what the previous administrations have so far instituted and achieved. Patuloy nating pinangangalagaan ang lahat na naipundar ng mga nauna pa sa atin. Sila ang mga naging instrumento kung bakit nagkaroon ng Bicol University. Kung kaya, sinisiguro natin na maisasaayos pa ang mga susunod na taon, lalo na sa pamamagitan ng pagtatayo ng mga gusali at pagpundar ng mga gamit na kailangan ng ating mga mag-aaral at mga kawani dito sa Bicol University. Sa simula ng aking panunungkulan bilang inyong Pangulo, sa totoo lang, hindi ko inakala at di ko alam kung ating matutugunan ang ating mga inahang. Pero tayo ay nagkaisa dahil sa ating hangaring maisulong ang ating universidad sa estadong hinahangad natin. Malayo pa ang ating lalakbayin patungo sa ating destinasyon. Subalit, ako'y nananalig na kaya nating abutin ito. If there's one thing very significant in every Charter Day celebration, it is this: that each Charter Day that passes brings with it a renewed vigor for relevant changes towards progress and development. But in every organization, there may be some who may not like the organizational innovations and policy reforms that are being undertaken. Some may even refuse to see and accept the good things that are unfolding because of their own personal biases. But I believe Bicol University has transformed into a more mature academic institution as it nears its golden year of existence. Huwag nating sayangin at isawalang bahala ang mga magandang pagbabago na nakikita at nararamdaman natin ngayon at sa mga nakilipas na panahon. Bilang ikawalong Pangulo ng Bicol University, asahan nyo ang taos-puso at malinis na serbisyo sa pagsasabuhay ng ating mga pangarap para sa Bicol University. Sa puntong ito, nais kong humingi ng paumanhin at pag-unawa sa hindi ko pagdalo sa napakalagang selebrasyon sa buhay ng aking pamilya dito sa Bicol University. It is already the second time that I cannot be with you in this momentous occasion in the life of Bicol University. I am truly regretful and sad for missing this most opportune time to be with my beloved family in Bicol University. The Board of Regents meeting has sadly been scheduled on the same date as the Charter Day. I have a lot of proposals to bring to the attention and approval of the Board of Regents, which I'm sure will benefit each one of us. Duty calls, and I have to respond rightly. With this, let me greet everyone, happy Charter Day. Join me as we continue to break new grounds and dream bigger and brighter things for our beloved Bicol University. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Bicol University.